The lingering effects of violent crime affects everyone, most notably the victim's family, first responders, and healthcare professionals. According to Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sharon Belmar George, these lingering effects trickle all the way down to the nation's youth and how they in turn choose to handle this ordeal. Dr. Belmar George, during the question and answer portion of the media briefing to launch the CARPHA 68th Annual Health Conference here in St. Lucia, says the issue of violent crime is one that plagues us all.
As a part of the CARPHA conference, one of the areas that we know from a preventative point of view is looking at the family members of persons who were directly involved or victims of violence. For example, the children of someone who may have been killed, the rest of the extended family, and ensuring that we have social services to be able to manage. I think this is one of the gaps that we have within our system. So one of the discussions that we will be having on the 24th of April is violence and the youth. So we'll be looking at the young persons within the communities, the children of persons who may be affected by violence and crime.
Dr. Belmar George is hopeful that most of the recommendations and solutions at the forum will come from the youth. She highlighted the importance of engaging them in all steps of the way.
We are really hoping that the discussions that come out of that forum would come out in the way of some of the recommendations. And we really want to take an approach where we don't speak down, we don't make recommendations for the young people, but we want to hear the voices of the young persons indicating their issues, indicating how they are affected, and also getting the recommendations directly for them. We think that will be most effective, ensuring that they are involved as a part of the solution.
She further pointed out that the family members of those working within the healthcare sector are affected as well.
Children of our healthcare workers are also affected by violence and crime. So we really look forward to that, where we'll get the voice of the youth in the effects of violence and crime on island.
The Youth Forum is part of CARPHA's pre-conferences to be held on Wednesday, April 24th, 2024. For Choice News Now, I am Chelsea Austinay.